Buying in today's market is tough. We get it. With the low inventories and the competition is really tough, and also the interest rate is not exactly low. But you know what? The truth is, if you are a buyer, have a plan, you can still win a house today. My name is Simon Westfall-Kwong from the Lakeside Real Estate Group. In this video today, we're going to talk about 5 strategies that's going to help you to win your house. Let's dive into it. So before I talk about strategy, let's talk about your plan, right? So we're going to need to find out about what your needs and what your wants are and all your criteria. Once we have that, then we really know how to come up with a strategy for you. So we need about 15 minutes to do a buyer consultation with you, and we'll walk you through the steps and also find out exactly what you're looking for what type of homes, how many bedrooms, how many baths, if you want to have a renovated homes versus you're willing to do some work, or if you want to be close to town or close to any transportations or mid-10 direct train to the city. Once we have that, then we can definitely show you some properties. And once we identify the property that you want to purchase, the main things that you want to do is actually have a pre-approval. Not just a pre-qualification letter. Pre-approval is to be a lender who's going to look through your financial to almost say your loan ready to go. Or better yet, some of the lenders will give you a full underwriting pre-approval. What that means is almost good as cash that you're ready to close. You know what? You can actually have a quick closing. Sellers love that because they feel you're more confident in getting ready to close. And of course, we can provide you lender information. You can talk to them and get all the information you need. And definitely, you want to make sure they give you the best rate as possible. Next is how to write an offer that's actually win. Price matter, but you know what? With the terms, could be a tiebreaker as well. So think of your large deposit, your shorter terms of home inspection, limit of your contingency, and if you can actually waive appraisal or part of it, that could be a game changer. Of course, you need to be comfortable with it and you have the financial means to do so. Now, about the home inspection. Not every single buyer today will waive everything about home inspection. We also want to make sure you do inspection as well. So things strategically that you will limit to major structure, operation, mechanical, environmental only concern. Not the cosmetic stuff, right? So we want to make sure that you're showing the seller that you are confident that you want to go through the sale. The other thing you can do is actually offer a seller concession credit for the home inspection repair. For instance, let's say you went through home inspection, you do a full inspection, and you find something that's up to $25,000 of repair, and you give sellers a $5,000 concession. That's showing how serious you are that you're not going to be nitpicking on this property. Also, you may want to consider shortening your home inspection period from 5 to 7 days instead of typical 14 days. This could give seller confidence that you're willing to move fast and make sure that we can close this contingency as quickly as possible. Now let's talk about a step that most buyers don't think about early enough in this process. It's picking the right attorneys. In New Jersey, we recommend you hire an attorney to give you legal advice because everything that we said is our opinions only. Having the right attorney on your side could avoid any delays and also any missteps, and also make sure you have the best term to protect you, to have your best interests. And also you can avoid any legal landmines. And you want someone who specializes in real estate, not your cousin who does divorce or family laws or estate law. You want someone who does this full time, who can actually have a conversation with you when you send them the contract. They can send you back the writers and get this done, and our attorney review as soon as possible for you. With the right attorney to review your offers, they will quickly to make sure to negotiate for items like home inspections or deal with any challenge with the title search. We work with a few of those attorneys and we'll be happy to provide you the information and you can talk to them directly. Last but not least, let's talk about your mindset. You want to make sure that you have a plan and strategies about how you go forwards and you're not desperate. But when you see the right house, you want to make sure you have the right team behind you and we can help to win the house for you. If you're serious about buying today, stay sharp, be ready. When the right house hit the market, we'll be here to help you every single step of the way for you to win the house. For more information, please contact us at 973-489-8885, or you can email us at simon@lakesiderealestategroup.com to receive a copy of the buy guides. We're here to help you. Have a great day.